What we're introducing at FABTECH 2018 is the ArcMate 100 ID series of robots. The 100 ID has improved hollow utilities. A large bore in the J1 center axis allows cables to be applied for the weld equipment. We have here our two new arms that are in that series of the 100 ID. This is the 100 ID 10L, which has about a 1600 millimeter reach, and the 120 ID, which its advantage is its 25 kilogram load capacity. Both arms have a larger hollow bore than their predecessor, and that allows us to run sensors and pneumatics and other devices, offering improved flexibility for the arc welding process, including vision, grippers for handling components, as well as welding with very large and high amperage guns. Both arms have a slim design, clean sheet design from the ground up, and offer better reach, better stroke, better accessibility, make it easier for customers to apply our robots. Both these robots are on our new 30ID Plus controller with enhanced eye pendant and new icon graphics. Some of the graphics are displayed here, including the integrated vision system that we built with Servo Robot, which allows all the data to be transmitted back through the teach pendant.